I have 3 pounds of 80/20 ground beef and a whole container of chopped chives. Wait for it. I've done this once before, and that was to make some burgers. But all you do is keep squeezing it between your fingers, and it makes it amazing, right? All right, hold on. Wait for it. And that is what I call a Wok Hamburger. Gonna take that, caramelize the bottom, so wait for it. More than 10 minutes. Amazing, right? I have to resituate things. Now you want to put a plate, not like this, you want to put it like that. Still moisture on that one. Wait for it. I pressed the plate down and I made a mess all over the table, so time to finish it off. Wait for it. In less than half the time, and less burny, I'll finish cooking. Time to drain it. Put a plate on top over the sink. Wait for a lot less burny. Take the paper towels, fold them up. Just let it cool down. Once it's cool, into the fridge, then shred it with my fingers. That'll wick away all the fat. Ow, it's hot. And it's time to clean my table. I like to keep my table clean. There you go. 80/20, 3 pounds of 80/20 chive taco meat. Amazing, right? Love it.